Good morning and welcome to Equipment Remarketing. We're looking at a 2016 Great Dane 36-foot 6x102 steel wood universal mounting kit on the back, folks. Turbo blasted, primed and repainted. Kingpin plate has been checked and verified. As we come down the passenger side of a brand new buyer's toolbox. As we get to the rear, steel rim outer has been refurbished, brand new rubber. This unit is equipped with brand new brakes and drums. Universal mounting kit carries Moffett, Loadmac, Princeton, many other brands. Give us a call, let us know what you have or what you're looking for, and we can let you know or make any adjustments needed. You can take a look at our website, 99lifts.com. Take a look, see what we have available. Give us a call. We can walk you through that process. Brand new straps, refurbed ratchets, steel rim outer has been refurbished, brand new rubber brakes and drums. Beautiful unit, 2016 36-foot 6x102. Give us a call at 260-238-4998. Take a look at our website, 99lifts.com.